But enough about the amenities. It's time for the Wednesday Farmers Market. It's directly in front of the hostel. Free samples everywhere.
These ones are spicy.
Tell me what you think.
Woo! That's some spice. Chipotle.
But it's not just food. There's tons of stuff to check out.
Hi, Keely, down here at USA Hostel, right down in Ocean Beach. We're out at the market today. Free music, lots of food, very good vibes. Everyone's hanging out. It's a good time, and it's totally free.
Maui-style grilled meats. The smell definitely got my attention. Their cheapest item was grilled Spam sushi.
Spam, rice, and seaweed. $6.
As much as I loved the outdoor market, the ocean was a block away, and it was calling my name. To watch the full episode of Dirt Cheap with Chaz Bruns, click the link below.